already know that spreadsheets are softwares where we manage large databases in structured form in rows and columns. So say for example, if there is some kind of data which has hundreds of columns and thousands of rows, and we are required to fetch some value from some column without actually scrolling the sheet from one extreme to the other extreme, which will take time. So these are some functions. The VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is actually the short form for vertical lookup. A sister function of this VLOOKUP. Lookup means to search. So basically, VLOOKUP searches a particular value in a database. So if a database contains a lot of rows and columns, and we need to fetch some value which is there in a particular column or in a particular row, in that case so VLOOKUP function is used for fetching a particular value which is there in a particular column, because V is for vertical. Vertical means vertical is associated with column, and horizontal HLOOKUP is associated with rows. So sometimes the data is structured in column wise, and sometimes the data is structured row wise. So depending on the type of data, the structure of the data, we can use HLOOKUP or VLOOKUP. I have sent this sheet in your WhatsApp group, this file, this example sheet. So you can also try to use this function in your laptop, laptops with you, to actually see how we can use this. So I'm going to demonstrate. Say for example, on your screen, you may be looking at a particular data where in the first column there is product ID. In the second column, there is available stock, this one. And in the third,
सर आपका नेट स्लो है.
Sir, your voice is not audible clearly.
Yes sir, live class में भी ऐसे ही हो रहा था सर. Yes sir, MBA डिपार्टमेंट का वाईफाई नेटवर्क ऐसे ही हो रहा
है. गूगल मीट ज्यादा सही है.
आज सर रहने दिए लेक्चर सर.
सर रुक गई सर, वीडियो रुक गई.
तो संडे को रख लिएगा लेक्चर सर, सुबह 7 बजे.
if the product
Still not audible sir.
Nothing is audible sir.
Yes, you are right, Zishan.
Your internet connection is not good.
Thank you Hamza bhai.
The internet connection on my side is full actually. So if you are not able to listen me, kindly.
Now it's audible.
Problem maybe on your side, because on my side the connection is full. So internet,
all of us are having same problem sir.
Sir, but everyone is having the same problem, not only one.
Yes sir, we couldn't hear your voice.
Yeah, that is so that is the problem with all the classes, you know.
But now we can hear, sir.
Sir, we can hear each other's voice except your voice. So how
Yes sir,
can
your voice keeps breaking sir. आधी चीजें सुनाई नहीं देती.
So if you are not listening my voice, then how you are responding?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
We
it
can
is now
listen you,
clear.
but
Before
it's
that,
require
it
a
was
lot of
not clear.
effort to
It is
understand
not
you.
even coming.
Yes, sir. At the time of
Now,
lecture, it's not here.
now please bear with sir, na.
Okay, so you actually don't deserve to be unmuted because you people are behaving like uncivilized, students. So let me mute all of you. And okay, so I was what I was showing to you how we can use the VLOOKUP function in spreadsheets. So this is the kind of problem. Say, for example, this is a small database. This is just for demonstration. In reality, the database may run into hundreds of columns and thousands of rows. So in that case, fetching a particular value manually may take time. So in that case, we can take the help of the vertical lookup and edge lookup function. So say for example, we want to fetch the price of a particular product. If we type the product ID or the product name, the price of that product should automatically come in the next cell. So this is the kind of problem. So say for example, this is the cell where if we want to type the product ID, which is say for example 5457, in the next cell, the price should automatically be displayed. The corresponding price or the price of that product should automatically be displayed. So in that case, we can use the VLOOKUP function. Start with an equal sign and type V whole table. After selecting the whole table, it is asking for the column number. So since we are interested in the price of the product and the price data is in the third column, so we have to type here 3. 3 means the third column. Then
Hello? Sir, can you please explain this again because
one more
your
option
voice,
is coming for
sir? Sir, can you please?
I'm explaining. I will explain it again.
Okay, sir.
Yes, I will explain again. Just bear with me. Then there again one more option is coming: false exact match, or so just select it exact match and press enter, and the corresponding price will be displayed automatically. Then just to check whether this formula is working or not, let us try to change the product ID. Let us type 9. Eight rooted.
Sir, not audible.
मैं आ रहा हूँ सर नाश्ता करके।
Sir, your mic is off.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
So kindly, this is a theoretical class, so kindly do it on your laptop so that,
सर हेलो सर।
yes,
सर आपकी सर आवाज नहीं आ रही थी पिछले ऐसी सर 5-10 मिनट से बिल्कुल नहीं।
तो आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही है सर, ना ही वीडियो आ रही थी।
अच्छा,
अब आ रही है
अब आ
सर,
रही है?
बीच में वो सर फिर ब्रेक हो जाता है।
अच्छा. So let us take another example.
सर ऑडियो ब्रेक हो रही है।
This is some kind of data. This is some kind of data in front of you. So in column J, region has been mentioned in abbreviated form, NSE, convert it into full form. So N should be converted to
सर नहीं हो पाएगा आज।
So let us see how we can use the VLOOKUP in this case.
सर
जी
सर आपकी मतलब सर अभी तक हमें मतलब 1 मिनट भी लगातार आवाज सुनाई नहीं पड़ी है सर, तो बीच बीच में हमेशा ब्रेक हो रही है।
यस सर।
सर ना पिछली वाली टेबल भी कुछ भी नहीं समझ आया सर, और ये वाला टेबल आपने स्टार्ट किया इसमें भी ब्रेक हो रही है।
अच्छा, ऐसा करते हैं कि इसका मतलब कि आज क्लास पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो लेट अस पोस्टपोन दिस टुडे।
यस सर।
और जो मैंने आपको जो शीट्स भेजी है इसमें इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी हैं कि कैसे हाउ यू कैन यूज दिस, सो काइंडली डू इट योरसेल्फ।
श्योर सर।
यस सर।
नहीं चाहते थे ना आप लोग, एंजॉय करिए।